In this exercise, we will learn how to save files very quickly. Okay, to save any file of your work, just go to File menu and choose Save As. And here we can save the file as Photoshop PSD. And here we have a list of different file formats. We can choose JPEG, PNG, TIFF, PDF, and Photoshop RAW. And we can save it by choosing any of them. And we can rename the file. And then we can choose the location folder in the drive that you will save in. And that's it. If you want to save your file for the web, then go to the File menu and choose Export and choose Save for Web Legacy. And here we can choose any file format, GIF, JPEG, PNG, WBMP, and we can save as transparent we can save with a transparent background by clicking this mark on. And here we can adjust the image size also. And here we can zoom in and out of an image to view it. Then just click on Save, and here we can choose our location where we want to save. And we can put our file name, and we can choose the image format for any of them. And then we can just click on Save. That's it. Your image will be saved for the web. Thank you.